Hey guys, welcome back to SR Trader. This is Shankar Rathod. Since I am doing a backtesting series on support and resistance, will they work or not? We'll see in this video. My first video has been uploaded and it was pretty much well that support and resistance will work now. And now the backtesting is on HDFC. I'll go to 2010. I'll just cut all the candles before that. I'll cut here. And now let's analyze why the stock is standing here. See, we can see a resistance here, right? I'll remove everything. Market is standing at this resistance. This is acting as resistance, and what can be our right support is this area, around this area. Market is wandering in this area, so what will be my plan is, as and when market breaches this area upside with a good candle or good volume, with a good candle, I'll buy the stock and now I'll play it for you. What is the speed? Okay, and now I'll play it for you, and now let's start it. I'll stop the replay as and when market crosses this area, and let's go. Okay, market. Okay, a tip for you, as and when market consolidates near the resistance area, it means that buyers are willing to buy even at this top. And let's see what will happen now. Will it break out or break down? Let's wait and watch. I will play now. Okay, see, the resistance is taken out. What I'll do is I'll buy a stock now. What will be my stop loss? My stop loss is below this consolidation area. If market reaches this area, I'll get out of my trade. Okay, let's fix our target. What will be our target? Since it is all-time high, we don't know our target, and we'll keep a whole number as our target. A round number is, it's a long term. Okay, it's long term, it's for long term, nearly 20%. We'll keep our target as 20%. We took trade in July, it's August now. Let's hold on to the trade. See, there is no holy grail in stock market. You should wait until your target is reached or your stop loss is reached. See, it's slowly making upside, right? It's slowly moving upside. Okay, I hit my target. See, almost 20%. This was acting as resistance, right? As and when market crossed this area, the stock moved continuously upside, making a channel pattern. This is called as channel pattern. I'll explain in further videos comingly. Now we'll stick to support and resistance. Okay, we are done with our target, right? In July we took a trade. In October it hit 20%. If you have invested 1 lakh in HDFC, it would have given almost 20% in 3 to 4 months. That's it. This is very simple, guys. You need to trust the process. Stop looking at P&L every day. As and when market falls, okay, it will fall from here. That's not gonna work. See, so many people will not sit and trade in front of the screen whole day. That only full-time traders can do that. If you are not willing to sit in front of screen every day, just buy a stock from Nifty 50 index. The Nifty 50 index contributes top 50 stocks. Okay, first trade is done, right? What we'll do is, will not until a reversal will not trade in the stock. We have a support here right now, and we have a trend line here. What will be our plan is, if market comes over this support and trend line, we'll buy the stock. Okay, stock is near support. what will be our stop loss? Stop loss is below this trend line. This is my stop loss. And what is my target? Target is all time high, almost 100 rupees from here. What is the percentage we'll get? 20% is the target, 5% is the stop loss. If market moves in our direction, we will get almost 20% return within couple of days. And if it reverse, if it hits our stop loss, we will lose 5% of our capital deployed. Now I'll start the replay. Yeah, it's moving in our direction. Not yet. It is near our stop loss. Let's wait. Will it move or not? We are almost about to hit our stop loss. Not yet. Yeah, almost. See, market came almost till our stop loss, but it started to reverse and again it hit our stop loss. See, every time we'll not get profits. See, what was our risk? Our risk was 5% of our capital. What was our profit? 20%. Since market is a probability game, consider we are taking a 10 trade, okay? You lost 5 trades, you won 5 trades. What is the risk reward ratio? The 5 trades which we have won is 20% return on your deployed capital. So what was it? It is almost 2x of your capital. So what is your stop loss? You lost 5 trades, right? What was your stop loss? 5% of your capital. 5% means 25% of your deployed capital all over these losing 5 trades. So what you understand about this is market will not always give you profits. And if the trade turn reverse, what will do? You will just exit immediately as and when your stop loss is taken out. So okay, this is not valid. This was resistance, okay? This was resistance. Previously this was acting as resistance, and now since price is approaching from upwards, this will act as support. And now what I'll do is I'll place my stop loss over here. And what is my target? Almost, I'll just see, profit 40% from here. And what is my stop loss? 10%. It is almost 1:4 ratio. If your trade goes wrong, you lose 10% of your capital. If the trade goes in your favorable direction, you will make almost 40% of your capital. So which you should wait for your trading setup. Okay, now let's move on. What is my target? 20%. What is my stop loss? 10%. Okay, 10% is my stop loss. I'll keep this yellow line as my stop loss. Let's start the rally now. Okay, it is moving in our direction. Let's wait until our target or stop loss hit. Yeah, it's moving upside. It's almost near our target. Let's see. We can't see. If you are not a risk taker, you may exit here with some profits. But following some conditions or following some rules will make you stay in the market for longer time. And this is what I have learned in my trading career. So let's see, will we hit our target or stop loss? Let's wait and watch. All-time high is our target. It started to consolidate at this area. I'm just waiting. Let it move. See, this, even this area is acting as resistance. If this area is taken upside with a powerful candle, we may go upside. Not yet. Let's wait. Nothing is hurry. It's been almost 2 to 3 months maybe. Yeah, 3 months. Not 3 months. Almost a year. Well, let's wait. A 40% return in 1 year is not a joke. So many traders fail to do 40% in a year. Let's fast forward that. It's in a tight consolidation range, man. If this range is broken, the stock will rally upside. Yeah, we are here, almost at top. See, 40% is reached. It eventually reached our area, right? Almost 1 year 6 months. In 1 year 6 months, you got 40% return. What will be your return if you have invested this amount in bank FD? Almost 5 to 6% a year, means 2%, 5, 10% in 2 years. You got 40% in 2 years, and now we have crossed all-time high, and it's again making higher highs. Let's wait what will happen. Okay, this will be our resistance now, all-time high. This is our support. If market comes here, see, we took 3 trades already. We won 1 trade, we lost 1 trade, about 5% of our capital. We won 2 trades of 20% and 40%, almost 4, 5, 60% of return we did in almost 3 years. And let's see how much return we can make. I'll enter over here, since this will act as a potential area of buying. See, this was acting as resistance. Market was not able to cross it, but this time it crossed and coming for a retracement. This will act as support now. Let's wait. Okay, even all-time high is taken out. Okay, see, it almost hit our stop loss. It again started to consolidate. Until it breaks this area, it's not gonna move upside. Remember that. If it breaks that area, if it breaks this area, it will start to move upside. Yeah, it has taken out. Let's wait. Started to move. Simple. Resistance is taken out. It is now into the skies. I'll show you in how many years we made this return. Okay, in 2014 we took a trade. Remember, in 2014 we took a trade. What is the return we are getting now? 50% of capital in 1 year. 50% of our capital in 1 year. This is pretty much well, right? Support resistance works. Until resistance is taken out, stock will not move upside. If this resistance is taken out, stock will rally and move. Stock will give us new highs that can be captured. Okay, this is my stock analysis. Okay, this is my backtesting on HDFC. I'll see you in another backtesting video. Thanks for watching.